This is how to add tags to your YouTube short. At this stage of uploading your YouTube short on YouTube app, tap this button, Show More, then this section, Attributes, and add your tags. And to add tags to an already uploaded short, find your short on your channel, tap these three dots, then Edit, and add your tags under Attributes, then Save. And if you are using the YouTube Studio app, go to Content, find your short, tap these three dots, then Edit, and add your tags under Attributes, then Save. And if you are on desktop, go to Content, then Shorts, find your short, tap this pencil icon, then Show More, and add your tags, and save. And you can always add hashtags, which are a little different from tags, to your short's title and description on mobile or desktop. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.